The Glynn Family Honors Program at Notre Dame brings together students committed to deep intellectual inquiry and original research through close faculty mentorship, unique experiential learning opportunities, as well as a strong academic community. The program challenges students to pursue ambitious questions and nurture their own curiosity beyond the classroom. Now, two of those students are senior Michael Parent and junior Finley Shinnick, who are joining us to tell us a little bit more about the Glynn program, as well as their own research projects here at Notre Dame. So first and foremost, I want to welcome you both here to Notre Dame Day. I know very excited to talk about the Glynn Honors Program, but let's start first about your story, your Notre Dame story, and what you're studying here at Notre Dame.
Sure thing. Yeah. So my name is Michael Parent. I'm a senior living in Knott Hall, originally from just outside of Boston. I'm studying environmental science and economics with a minor in the Glynn Family Honors Program.
Excellent.
Cool. My name is Finley. I'm a junior that lives in Pascagoula West Hall right now, but I'm from Southern California originally. I'm studying math and biology with a minor in scientific computing, and of course, Glynn.
Man, you've got that Notre Dame story down really tight. I love it. So where you're from and what dorm. So how do you each describe the Glynn program for those that are not familiar with it, and kind of what drew you to this program here at Notre Dame?
I think it's a great community just of scholars. We're all thinkers, but in a variety of disciplines. And so having the ability to engage with both the arts and the sciences, especially as a scientist, I've appreciated the ability to talk with others and get that perspective on my research.
Yeah, and then they promote that through class environments. They bring in guest lectures, and then they also promote trips to different cultural events. Yeah.
Excellent. So not too bad. Michael, can you talk about your research here a little bit at Notre Dame? I mean, it's a really unique opportunity, right, at Notre Dame to get so much hands-on experience, I presume.
Yeah. So I'm in the Swenson lab. We mostly study forest ecology and forest health. I use remote sensing, particularly LiDAR. LiDAR sensors are light detection and ranging to understand how forest structure varies along lake shores in particular.
Okay, great. And Finley, talk a little bit about what you're doing. What's shaped the direction of your work? And what I'm really curious about is how has your perspective changed? I mean, you're an upperclassman here at Notre Dame, but through this program, how has your perspective changed through the Glynn program?
Yeah, so when I came in, I thought that I was just going to do a biology senior thesis, which
Sure.
I will be doing, and I was supported. I'm also doing forest research like Michael here. But through Glynn, I've had the opportunity to also study deaf health research in healthcare settings. So combining both of my interests and do research in both aspects of life.
Yeah, so I mean, you just took the next question right for me. So the Glynn Honors Program, it's clearly supported the research side of things. When you came to Notre Dame, did you expect to have this type of research opportunity, and kind of how has that evolved over this time?
So one of the things they tell us right when we come in as freshmen is that we have to write a senior thesis.
Yeah.
And part of that is this funding to do whether you research or just to share your science and communicate your science. So I've had some funding from Glynn, both to continue doing research while I was in South Africa on a study abroad, utilizing LiDAR to look at vegetation in Table Mountain. I also used their funding to take my research to a conference this February, the AAAS 2026 annual meeting, and present my research.
Okay, I got to know, who's standing on top of that? Is that you?
That's me.
Okay, that looks like a pretty good deal. I presume South Africa?
That is in Stellenbosch Mountains, right outside of Stellenbosch University.
Yeah, that right there, folks, is where Notre Dame is going to take you, right? I mean, talk about that experience. But as you look ahead, obviously, you both have had probably experiences like this, but how has this shaped you? And now as you look to the future, what do you hope that you take away from this program as you look onto your future? Either one of you.
Sure. Yeah, for me, I've definitely seen that I can combine both, or all of my interests. So I'm interested in biology, I'm interested in health, but I also like the soft side. With Glynn, I've been able to use money to go and learn American Sign Language, which I'll be doing again this summer. And so both gaining cultural competency, but then also developing the technical skills to use in a way that I want as I continue my profession.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Michael, how about yourself? What's next?
I'm doing a master's in Ireland, continuing with research, and so the opportunity to do the scientific research so rigorously, but also be able to share it with others and have the perspective of the humanities and the arts, I think is super important for me to be able to share with a wider audience and talk to policymakers about environmental research, which is super important to the future of our world.
Yeah, absolutely. So Ireland is up next. Finley, have you had the chance to study abroad just yet?
I'll also be going to Ireland for compassionate care and medicine, and I'll be doing a sign language immersion program supported through Glynn.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Well, look, the research here at Notre Dame, it clearly is something that's second to none. We had somebody here from Harper as well talking about that experience. But, as you look back at the 4 years, again, just kind of tell me a little bit more about your experience and kind of your future with that. Do you hope to continue on in the research field?
I do. I hope to continue on. This is master's is a perfect kind of gap year to continue working on research and then move into a PhD program next.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and same for me. I'm hoping to do an MD, PhD, and then work in a clinical setting, but continue research projects to hopefully improve patient care.
It's fantastic. Well, look, this place is taking you to many places. I wish you good luck in Ireland, Michael. And in Finley, you've got another year here, it sounds like. So you guys are tremendous assets to Notre Dame. And just thank you for the research that you guys are doing here.
Thank you.
All right.